Does your Stampin' Seal get gooky with sticky stuff? Let's show you how to clean it off. So the seal is a double-sided adhesive that has a replacement cartridge inside of it, and it is a great adhesive for doing your card making. But what happens is over time you might get a buildup of glue, sort of gobby kind of bits of glue that stick in there, and it stops it from working really, really well. So what you want to do is try and get that off, and you can just pull some of it off with your fingers and get rid of it. But a quick way is to use your isopropyl alcohol, and I just find that the higher the percentage, it seems to work a little bit better. And I'm going to use a paper towel. Oh, and it's a brand new bottle. There we go. So I'm going to just take some of this and I'm going to clean it up. So I've got some on the outside and the inside. And I find I can't always get inside with my paper towel, but you can see that it will come off. It's coming off here. It needs just a little bit of time to work. But also if you take a Q-tip, that will work as well. So just clean that off. And what you'll get is it'll be just like new. You don't need to get a new one, but that will clean it all off so that it'll run really, really well again. So I hope that helps and you can get a little bit more life, and don't throw these away because you can use them over and over again. So thanks very much. For more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.